This is an intense moment of lions hunting a giraffe. The giraffe was just out for a drink, not expecting to run into a group of hunting lions. The pride spotted it and immediately started following. They locked onto the giraffe as their target. The giraffe ran desperately, trying to shake the lions off. But the lions were skilled hunters. They didn't rush their attack. Instead, they patiently tracked the giraffe, slowly wearing down its strength. After over an hour, the giraffe began to tire. The lions took turns launching test attacks. Finally, the giraffe ran out of energy. It collapsed and became the pride's meal. This shows how patience and teamwork help lions take down even the biggest prey. It's a raw glimpse of survival in the wild. The jungle grows quiet again after the hunt.